What's being shown here is a smart lock that takes a noticeably different approach from most, and that difference begins with how it's installed. This is the Xiaomi Self-Install Smart Lock, a retrofit device designed to sit over an existing door cylinder without requiring any drilling, wiring, or permanent modification. Let's take a closer look at what it offers and how the experience appears to come together. The design is clean and compact, with an ABS and polycarbonate build that fits discreetly over compatible lock types, including Euro Profile and UK Mortise systems. For renters or anyone who prefers not to alter their door, that retrofit approach may be one of the more appealing aspects here. In terms of unlocking methods, the lock supports fingerprint recognition, Bluetooth entry via the Xiaomi Home app, temporary and permanent passwords, voice commands, and traditional key access. An optional IP65 rated keypad adds a semiconductor fingerprint sensor with a reported identification rate of 99.3%. The variety of entry options appears designed to cover most daily use scenarios without relying on a single method. Connectivity uses Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, and Thread, and the lock supports the Matter Smart Home protocol, meaning it appears compatible with Apple Home, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa without complicated setup. For households already using mixed smart home ecosystems, that cross-platform support may be a practical advantage. Battery life is estimated at around 6 months under standard use, and the unit carries EN 18031 European Cybersecurity certification. Security features include auto-locking, anti-tamper alerts, duress notifications, and open door reminders. It's worth noting that auto-lock requires a separate door sensor. Overall, the Xiaomi Self-Install Smart Lock appears to offer a solid combination of smart home compatibility and renter-friendly convenience at an accessible price point.